Just when you thought it couldn't get any better, you discover it can. Guys, welcome to another HBA Home Business Academy, HBA Funnel Builder YouTube video review. I am so super pumped up. Guys, what can I say? Just got the notification today. Over 2,000 members strong inside of Home Business Academy. You know why? Because people are realizing the simplicity, ease, and speed of the actual cloud-based software that you got here inside of the Home Business Academy and the HBA Funnel Builder. I just created a new capture page, guys. Very, very super pumped up and excited about it. And this is just one of them other reasons why you want to have this kind of software. It really returns a level of creativity to you that's unparalleled. That's the only thing I can say, guys, because you can do all this kind of stuff. Now, of course, that's a picture of my son on the left, and that's me in the middle, and my beautiful daughter next to me, and next to my daughter is my wife. And so I'm always talking about why I use digital automated marketing systems to earn extra income working from home, guys, because with the HBA Funnel Builder, you can do it. You can get in on the excitement, fun, and profit. Now, on the other side of this actual, on the other side of this page, I'm going to actually show you guys the actual creators, the founders of the HBA Funnel Builder, Mike Hobbs, Paul Hutchins, and then you guys get to see a snapshot of what you're able to do. This is not even the tip of the iceberg, but I'm really super pumped and super excited about it because when I started using digital automated marketing systems, guys, I went from a person who didn't even know how to set up an email to actually being able to set up my own automated marketing systems and set these systems off. And you know, for you guys who know me, you know I like to say, and as I set them off, having people actually come into my automated marketing systems and watch my VSLs and my video sales presentations and the different products and services I promote all over the world, right? All on complete automation, man. I'm absolutely loving it. Now, if you guys are not on my email list, make sure you get on my email list, guys, because you're going to see a variety of affiliate offers that you can promote. But know at the end of the day that you're in total control when you have funnel building software like the HBA Funnel Builder. When you have the type of training that you're going to find inside the Home Business Academy, and the sky is truly the limit when it comes to that. Now, before I jump over, I'm going to show you one more page that I'm putting together for everybody who joins me. Another page created inside of the HBA Funnel Builder, by the way, and I'm working on it, guys. You know I'm dyslexic, so don't worry about the typos. Just concentrate on the message. I'm actually creating a group, guys, and we're going to call the group Team AWOL. And for you guys who don't know what AWOL is the acronym for, it's absence without leave, okay? You don't need permission to do anything from anybody. You can go absent without leave, and you're going to be able to do it with all the stuff that you find inside the HBA Funnel Builder, with all the software, the training, my bonus training. And so I'm going to actually unlock that training for you guys. And it doesn't matter what you join me in, guys. It's all going to be housed in one place, okay? Everything. But we'll be talking about that later on next week, guys. So anyways, let's look at the all-in-one business platform, okay? Now, HBA Funnel Builder, this is where you would have an interface that look like this, and this is where you would actually log in, right? And you better access all kinds of cool stuff. But I want to show you guys what we've done over at the Home Business Academy, or what they've done over the Home Business Academy, and why I'm so super pumped up and excited about the all-in-one $25 business in a box, guys. That's exactly what this is, because as you come through, what's going to happen is you're going to get a better understanding of exactly what we've done. So the HBA Funnel Builder is a gold mine in and of itself. The Home Business Academy is a gold mine in and of itself. You put them together, guys, you got a gold mine on steroids, right? Because what you do is now, it is an all-in-one $25 digital business. Because here's the cool thing. You get to create whatever you want to create because you have access to the funnel builder, number one. But let's say you're not a creator. That's okay, guys, because you can promote all-in-one $25 digital business, right? This business in a box with a done-for-you funnel that's already set up for you inside of HBA. And here it is. A few simple clicks of your mouse, you get to unlock the actual funnel. You're looking at it right now. And when I say a few simple clicks of your mouse, let me tell you what I mean. When they announced the launch of this brand new platform, because it is relatively brand new, it capsulizes both the HBA funnel builder and the academy, and so that way you get the best of both worlds. Once they made the announcement, I went into my HBA or my Home Business Academy members area, and I actually connected the dots. I think it took me 6 minutes. It might have took 5.5. I'm not sure. Anyway, that's what I love about digital marketing, guys. There's no inventory, right? You can instantly deliver your products and your services to your potential prospects, right? You can scale, to out of this world, right? The $25 a month. Did I say $25 a month? Did I read that right? Yeah, I read that right, guys. Oh, did I mention the fact that we pay 80% commissions? What do I mean? Well, it's $25 a month for this $25 digital business in a box, and you earn $20 commissions just for sharing this bad boy with other people, right? Remember, guys, in addition to all the cool training you're gonna get inside of my bonus train or inside the HBA Academy, right? Inside the funnel builder, I'm giving you guys some other cool stuff too to start driving traffic into your all-in-one $25 business in a box. That's a lot. But anyway, if for no other reason but the fact that you just want to be able to create capture pages, really at the click of your mouse with simplicity, ease, and speed, without knowing HTML, without having to figure out coding like I had to do when I first started, then this is where you want to be, right? Because we make it simple and we make it easy. And you're part of a community but that does a lot of great things, guys. By the way, these guys actually donate money to charities with every single member that joins. Lots of great things going on, guys, okay? A great time to be in a place, a great time to be in a space where you're ready, willing, capable, and able of possibly learning some things you never knew, and always sharing with future entrepreneurs, digital, direct mail, MLMers, and even a personal products and services that you want to market and promote. Anything you want to do, you can do it. So guys, I don't know what you're waiting for, right? What are you going to do? I know what we're going to do. We're going to do whatever's clever. Click the link below the YouTube video description area, guys. Remember, guys, I'm creating that brand new members area where all those super bonuses going to be. And I mean, really, when I say it's over $1,000 worth of bonuses, I can honestly say that. Don't trip up the typos, guys. When I come back, I will have fixed that. Okay? Don't concentrate on the typos. Concentrate on the actual message. Anyway, let me just show you guys something real quick. Right now, I just got this button going to, let me show you. I just got it going right back to my page because that's the other cool thing. You can redirect these pages to wherever you want to. Your Facebook group, your Facebook fan page, right? Your YouTube channel, your favorite affiliate offer. You're in control, guys, because you are an owner. So for all my builders, right? For all my creators, you're in a great place, guys. Remember, we just went over 2,000 members inside of the Academy. And there's a reason for that, guys. And those numbers are only going to continue to go up. Grab the HBA funnel builder. If you don't want to get inside the Academy, I say grab the $25 digital business in a box, guys, because you get everything. Okay. Anyway, I'll meet you guys on the inside. Take it easy. Can't wait to welcome you as a new member. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Keep rocking.